All right, tool groupies, today on the channel we got a mail call, so let's get to it. Now the very first box we're going to open here today has got a little present in it for Tiny Tack here, and we're going to go ahead and get to that one first. Say, I'm baby Ziva. I'm daughter number 6, aren't you? Yeah, you're daughter number 6. You know, baby. Say, what's your very first present, huh? What's your very first present? It's the very first thing that Dad gonna give me. Got the Channellock 4.5 inch 424 because Ziva is the little champ, and the very first adjustable wrench, the 804 4.5 inch. Once again, from Made in the USA Channellock. Say, just like you, a little champ, made in the USA. Ain't that right? What would look even better with that though? Say I got my pliers and I got my adjustable wrench, but now what do we got to go with that? Say, well, we got us a package in the mail today from somebody, so let's see what's inside, little ZZ. Well, I think that is going to be for Dada, but I think this is going to be for you, Lil Z. Are you going to be our little champ, our little Made in the USA champ? Say, we pass on the Channellock brand for generations in this family. It started with my grandpa, to my dad, to me, to each and every one of my little girls, don't it? That's right. Hey, look at that. That is awesome. A little champ. Now we're going to have to try them on. And here we are. We got our new outfit on, courtesy of Channellock. Our little Made in the USA champ right here. Well, I was checking out the hat, and I might be wrong. Say, it might look good on you, too. You like Channellocks, do you? Alright, say I can rock the hat too. Besides getting the hat and the cute little onesie for my daughter, I did receive this box right here. I'm not really certain as to what's inside, and we're going to unbox it together. Now let's get into this sampler set and see exactly what it is that we're going to be testing out. Pop open the box here, and it does have the tools in this set featured on the top of the box. We've also got 2 different decals right here, which I appreciate because I do like representing a brand that I stand behind. On top of that, they did provide me with documentation that'll basically clarify all the specifications regarding these tools. They also gave me some testing materials right here. Now these types of testing materials are basically going to go with this center cutting plier right here. It's just a mail call video where I'm going to go over some of the stuff that I received in the mail. As far as the individual tool testing or tool reviews, that's all going to be coming up. I do want to see exactly how well this particular tool will perform. Plus we got us Channellock's brand new bottle opener right here. This is model number B0A. It's featured the brand new comfort grip handle, which you'll also find on Channellock's newly released screwdrivers and breaker bars. Top to bottom here we got the Channellock E458. It's their center cutting plier with XLT technology forged right here in the USA. Traditional cutters do have overlapping blades. This one's made similar to a bolt cutter with the jaw design. So basically they manufactured a pair of pliers that's going to be capable of cutting through a variety of different things such as nails and screws. Next down on the list we got the 808 PW. Channellock does have these tools manufactured over in Spain. It's also where the world's most premier tool brands choose to have their manufacturing done when it comes to adjustable wrenches. I'm going to tell you right now, whenever it comes to the Channellock brand, they have a wide variety for you to choose from. They got traditional adjustable wrenches, code blue comfort grip adjustable wrenches, code blue adjustable wrenches with the wide ass jaws, and then they've got these adjustable wrenches with the flip jaw. Basically you can use it as a traditional adjustable wrench, or you can flip the jaw over and use it as a plier wrench. And then last but not least, we got one of the most commonly used pliers in the trade, more specifically the plumbing and maintenance trade. I've interacted with a wide variety of different tradesmen over the last 23 years, and the one tool brand that they always have on site, a pair of Channellocks and a pair of Channellock V-jaw pliers. Because this V-jaw design is basically designed to handle round stock tubing. It's got a V-shaped design with 90-degree angular teeth. That way it can easily grip into rounded objects or even hex-shaped objects. It's got the traditional tongue and groove joint design with the Permalock fastener. We are going to put these tools to test in the trades. We're going to test them in a variety of different trade scenarios. Someone who's interested in the individual tool reviews on these, where we'll go over the details and specifications of each tool, all you got to do is pop the clutch on that subscribe button or go check out all these social media platforms. We'll have that content coming up. I've also got a variety of different content linked in the description box below, as well as direct links to Channellock Tools website in case you want to pick up these tools for yourself. Thank everyone for watching. I sure would appreciate it if you'd smash that like button on the way out. If you have these tools, comment down below. Let us know your thoughts and opinions on them based on your experience. Otherwise, it's time to get these tools out the box and get to doing that blue collar hustle. Happy 4th of July from my family to yours.